everyone! For today's cook-along I'm going to be showing you how to make some really simple and fun spooky spider Halloween biscuits. For your biscuits you will need butter or margarine, sugar and plain flour. To start you will need a large mixing bowl, and into that you're going to put your sugar and your softened butter and cream them together. Once your sugar and butter is combined and nicely fluffy, you can add in your flour and mix it until you get a nice dough. Once your mix is all combined, tip it out onto a floured surface, and then you just want to knead it to bring it all together. Once it's all brought together, you just want to wrap it in some cling film and put it in the fridge for about half an hour. Once your dough is out of the fridge, if you just flour your work surface so nothing sticks, and then you can unwrap your dough from the cling film, which should feel nice and firm. Just knead it a little bit, not too much because you don't need to. Just so it warms up a little bit more, and you can shape it into your biscuits. Next you want to line a baking tray with some parchment paper, and then take some of your dough and shape it into little balls. You can roll them so they're nice and smooth, and then put them on the baking paper, squish them down so they're flat, and then if you press your thumb in the middle, make a little indent. Like that. Then you want to put them in the oven for about 13 minutes until they're nice and golden around the edges. Once your biscuits are out of the oven, you need to wait for them to cool before you decorate them. So while you're waiting for them to cool down, you can start melting your chocolate. To decorate your biscuits and make them really spooky and Halloweeny, you will need some plain chocolate. This can be dark, milk, white, whatever your favourite chocolate is, and then some little sweets to go on top. So you can melt your chocolate by putting it in the microwave for a few seconds at a time and stirring it in between until it's all melted, or you can melt it in a bowl over a pan of boiling water, stirring all the time so it melts really nicely. Once your chocolate is melted and your biscuits are cool, you can start to decorate your biscuits. So you want to start by just putting a small amount of chocolate in the middle of each biscuit. And then with the melted chocolate, you want to make 4 little stripes like legs each side. And when you've done the legs, you can get whatever sweet that you chose, put it on top, and there's our little spider biscuits. Thanks for watching, hope you give them a try. Bye!